Hey everyone, today we're tackling a common but frustrating issue, a stuck faucet aerator that's caked with mineral buildup. I'll show you some easy tricks to remove it without causing any damage, and how to clean it properly so your faucet flows like new again. This aerator is totally stuck, and I've got some hard water buildup here that's making it nearly impossible to twist off by hand. So let's talk about what not to do first. Tools and materials needed: rubber jar opener, small pliers, brass brush, old toothbrush, fingernails, soft plastic tubing or rubber strip, clean cloth or paper towel, small bowl of water, food-grade plumbing grease. Step 1. What not to do. Whatever you do, don't grab it with pliers. That's a quick way to ruin it. If it's plastic, you'll likely crack it. If it's brass, you might deform it or strip the threads, and then it'll never go back on right. So don't do that. Step 2. Easy methods to loosen it. Start simple. Try with your fingers. If it's too tight, try using a rubber jar opener or a grippy cloth to get some traction. Still stuck? Here's my next trick. Step 3. Removing the aerator and disassembly. Once it's off, make sure to note the exact order of the parts inside: screens, washers, filters. It's super important to go back the same way, or the faucet may not work right. Step 4. Cleaning the parts. Time to clean. You'll probably find sand, sediment, or mystery minerals trapped inside. Here's how I do it. Use a toothbrush to gently scrub away debris. Tap it lightly under running water to loosen particles. Use your fingernails or a brass brush, not steel, to scrape off stubborn buildup without damaging the plating. Don't forget to clean the faucet threads too. Step 5. Reassembly. When you're done, reassemble everything. Insert the metal screen the correct way. Mine goes screen side down. Replace the washer carefully. Then screw the aerator back on, but don't cross-thread it. Alright, all clean and back together. No damage. And the faucet is running perfectly again. This took maybe 10 minutes. And I didn't need any fancy tools. Just some patience and the right technique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world DIY plumbing tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.